What if I told you there's a secret ginger that athletes, monks, and scientists swear by? Meet black ginger, the rare superroot with 8 shocking benefits your body will love. From ancient Thai remedies to modern supplements, let's uncover why this plant is going viral. The 8 science-backed benefits. Libido and testosterone boost. A 2012 Thai study showed a 40% increase in performance. Fights inflammation. It works like turmeric, but faster acting. Energy and endurance? Athletes use it for stamina, proven in a 2020 trial. Weight loss aid. It burns fat through thermogenesis. Blood sugar control. Lowers insulin resistance effectively. Brain health. It protects neurons, possibly preventing dementia. Anti-aging. Packed with antioxidants for younger skin. Immunity shield. 3 times more potent than regular ginger. Where does it come from? It grows wild in Thailand's mountains. The scientific name is Kaempferia parviflora. Thai monks have used it for over 700 years for focus and longevity. Only 1% of ginger is truly black ginger, making it rare. How to consume it? Tea. Steep 2g of sliced root for 10 minutes, add honey. Smoothies. Mix 1 teaspoon powder with banana and almond milk. Capsules, 500 milligrams daily for best potency. Immunity shot. Blend black ginger with lemon and turmeric. What to buy and avoid. Raw root rare, check Asian specialty stores. Standardized extracts, look for KP compounds on labels. Powder great for cooking, ensure it's pure. Fake products, avoid fillers like maltodextrin. What research says? A 2016 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed 12% more endurance in cyclists. A 2019 meta-analysis found it lowers inflammation markers by 37%. In a 2021 trial, it improved erectile function without side effects. Ancient secrets. In Ayurveda, black ginger supports the OHAS or vitality hormone. Thai warriors used it for energy before battle. Today, pharma companies are extracting its powerful compounds. Black ginger isn't just another supplement, it's a natural powerhouse with centuries of proof. Try it and comment your results below. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. Hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Appreciate the support. Thank you for watching.